Hi, it's Tom from Black Swan. Unfortunately, my dog Spot stayed inside, but today we're going to talk to you about the big green egg. Ceramic heater, does anything from slow cooking, smoking, to fast doing steaks, great grub. Stay tuned, we'll fill you in with some more. Welcome back. My dog Spot decided to join us at the barbecue along with a few of our employees. Here at Black Swan, we enjoy using the big green egg. Heats up quickly, retains heat. We can simmer things all day and smoke them slow. We can cook them fast if you want to do a steak. Rashawn likes steak. Big green egg's got a wonderful warranty. Food comes out fantastic, heats right up. Look at that, sausage and peppers. It's a wonderful, healthy meal. All made for right people on the big green egg. You'll enjoy it. We enjoy it. Spot loves it. Subscribe for more of these silly videos they force me to make.